Okay, hello my darlings, it's Michaela. So I have been inspired by one of you as always. So I just worked on a professional athlete, a soccer player, who mentioned tightness in his back and in his hamstrings. And he mentioned that there's often a hamstring that he pulls more frequently. And so the thing that I just wanted, we didn't get into it in great detail, but the thing that I wanted to share with everyone that might struggle with a chronic situation in your body that always gets pulled, your calf, your hamstring, those are typical areas, is that in the word pull, hopefully that's a really good thing to look at and to register, meaning that this muscle is being pulled on. So the fact that it feels tight, the fact that it feels restricted, isn't because it actually is. It's being pulled on. And so with that, the fact that it's a classic place for you, a chronic place for you that gets pulled, that means that it is typically weaker and that other things around it are tighter. So the last place to manipulate, the last place to stretch is that area that always gets pulled, okay? So, for example, with the hamstrings, you want to think about things on the other side of the body to loosen up. The things that aren't standing out to you, that don't feel uncomfortable at rest. So your quads, the front of your hips, your inner thighs, even the front of the shins, and I'll attach a foam rolling video, which I keep cramming down your throats any chance I get, that will take you through a sequence that basically will loosen up muscles on the front of the body, which will take pull off of the back. The back of the body. It will allow the back of the body to relax. And so at any rate, in general, when something hurts, when something is getting pulled on, it means that it could stand to have a little more strength, generally, and that the opposite side of the body / what's around it, side to side or in the front, could stand to be a little looser. So manipulating those areas, stretching those areas, can typically take pull off of the spot that keeps cropping up, that keeps popping up, that is inhibiting your comfort or stride or game or lifestyle to any degree. Okay? So I hope that's clear cut. I hope that's useful. That is it. All right? If you have a desire to have any more know-how in the realm of training, I have made an ebook called Power and Pain, which is meant to help people to not get hurt, or to how to manage an injury, or how to be most powerful now that we kind of understand form and this logic in the body. And so there's an ebook, I'll attach links, or that's a 2-session in-person situation if you want that. If you're in the Rhode Island area and you want that tailor-made for your body and your situation, that is available as well. All right, that's it. I hope everyone is having a magnificent seasonal transition. Would love to see you for any reason. Be in touch. Love to all, and until next time.